We are playing Subway Surfers. Oh! Jump over. Oh. Maybe you just slid down. Oh! Over. Oh. I've just downloaded this game. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! This is a bit like Temple Run. Maybe in my next video I'll play Temple Run. Oh! Come on! Yes, I know what to do. Oh! This actually like Temple Run. Oh, what was that? Ah! Come on, let's jump over, over, over. Wait, no. Ow! Oh my god. Trains are moving. Wee! 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 So many jumps. Jumps. Oh my god. Come on, I just died. Oh, there's a dog! He's got a dog! Oh no, he's got a dog. Go, go, go. Come on! Let's go. Jump. 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 No, not yet. Jump. Jump. Under. Oh my! Let's just go up here. Jump. No, not again. Let's go down here. Under, here, over, there, here, jump, 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 under, oh, ah! He's getting closer. Oh my god. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.